Thinking about jailbreaking your iPhone or iPad? Here are a few things to consider first. First is security risks. Jailbreaking removes many of Apple's security features, leaving the device more vulnerable to malware and unauthorized access. Second is voided warranty. Jailbreaking your iPhone will void its warranty, meaning Apple may refuse repairs or service. Last point is system instability. Jailbroken devices can be prone to crashes, bugs, and issues with software updates. If you're ready to proceed, the first tool we highly recommend is MagFone Activation Unlocker, an excellent jailbreak tool for iPhones and iPads running iOS 12 to iOS 16.5. When you enter the main interface, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock tab. Once your device is detected by the MagFone software, you can click on the Start button. After that, you have to manually put your device into DFU mode. If you don't know how to do this, select your device model and follow the steps shown on the screen. When your device is in DFU mode, your device will automatically jailbreak. It will take some time to jailbreak your device. After jailbreaking your device, you can click on the Start button. Then wait for the iPhone to enter recovery mode. Finally, the MagFone software will begin to remove the iCloud activation lock from your device. It will take 10 to 20 minutes to complete the whole process. Another great option is Chekra 1N, which works well for jailbreaking iPhones on iOS 12 to iOS 14.8. It's easy to use Chekra 1N on your Mac, while Chekra 1N on Windows requires additional setup due to its reliance on a Linux environment. Besides these, Zero and Taurine are also well-known jailbreak tools you can use.